You see that red box on the NOAA map tag destructive damage threat. That means straight-line winds over 80 miles per hour or hail larger than baseball size are possible. If that warning includes your area, it triggers an automatic wireless emergency alert on your phone. I paused briefly. Now here's what every American household must know right now. Severe thunderstorm warnings are issued when NOAA radar detects winds of at least 58 miles per hour or hail 1 inch in diameter, or when trained spotters confirm such storms nearby. These are not mere rain events. They can contain lightning, flash flooding, large hail, straight-line winds, and sometimes embedded tornadoes. Just like tornado warnings, these warnings cover 1 or 2 counties, usually for under an hour, but that's enough time to cause serious damage. Recently, NOAA updated the warning system to include 3 damage threat levels. Asterisk base, standard threshold, 1 hail or winds of 58 miles per hour, no phone alert. Asterisk considerable, hail of roughly 1.75 or winds around 70 miles per hour, still no WEA. Asterisk destructive, hail 2.75 or larger, or winds 80 miles per hour plus. This triggers a WEA alert on your smartphone. Only about 10% of annual severe thunderstorms reach destructive level. When they do, it's time to shelter immediately. These storms can produce derechos, long, fast-moving lines of thunderstorms with hurricane-force winds over hundreds of miles. A recent derecho in the upper plains generated gusts over 99 miles per hour, knocking out power over a huge swath and downing thousands of trees. In the worst cases, damage rivals that of EF0 to EF2 tornadoes. Left-pointing magnifying glass how warnings are tracked. NOAA uses Doppler radar, WSI-8D, report from trained storm spotters, Skywarn, and sometimes eyewitnesses. They issue a watch when conditions are favorable, lasting 4 to 8 hours, and a warning when the storm is already producing severe hail or winds. The warning includes the storm's expected path, towns affected, and primary threat details. Local National Weather Service offices may send follow-up severe weather statements with updates or cancellations. White heavy checkmark safety tips. What to do. Before warning. Asterisk develop a family emergency plan. Identify safe interior rooms. Keep NOAA weather radio with tone alerts, charge devices, and backup power sources. Trimming trees and securing outdoor items can limit damage. When a warning strikes. Asterisk go indoors immediately. Even a vehicle is safer than staying outside. Asterisk avoid windows, doors, and bathrooms. Lightning can travel through plumbing or wiring. Asterisk stay informed via radio, TV, weather app, or NOAA weather radio. Asterisk if possible, move your car undercover and bring in lawn furniture or garden tools. If driving, asterisk don't pull over on the shoulder. Safely park in a driveway or parking lot. Asterisk watch for hydroplaning from pooling water and flying debris blocking roadways. Severe hail or straight-line winds can break windows, damage roofs, knock down power lines or trees. Only tornado-level events require basement or interior closet sheltering, but always stay inside away from glass. Books historical damage. Why it matters. From 1980 to 2024, the U.S. has had over 400 weather events exceeding $1 billion in damages, about 23 per year on average in 2020 to 2024. But NOAA will stop updating this dataset soon, so public awareness is even more crucial. The 2020 Midwest derecho, for instance, caused over $7 billion, later revised to $11 billion, in damage across Iowa and Wisconsin. It remains the costliest thunderstorm event in U.S. history. Tornado outbreak events are also concerning. In March 2025 alone, a massive outbreak spawned over 118 tornadoes across 8 states, killing 43 people and causing $6.25 billion in damage. Straight-line winds associated with such systems often come from embedded severe thunderstorms. Bullseye action steps if you're under a warning. 1. Check the exact wording of the warning. Base, considerable, or destructive damage threat. 2. Move indoors to a room with no windows. If in a basement or interior hallway, stay low. 3. Avoid electrical and plumbing use. No showers or wire devices. 4. Monitor updates via weather radio or trusted local sources. 5. After the storm, stay alert for flash flooding, fallen power lines, or debris. Report hazards to authorities. If this content is helping you stay safer during storm season, please drop a comment about your local storm experience, share with neighbors, and don't forget to subscribe for more critical weather breakdowns. No fluff, only facts. Why it matters. Climate trends are intensifying storm threats. Warmer, more humid air fuels stronger thunderstorms. Development in high-risk regions is increasing exposure. Yet public access to historic damage data is shrinking. Understanding these threats and how warnings work can save lives when seconds count.